Okay, so what we're going to be creating in Flash now is a simple button. Okay, this is the effect that it's going to give off. So I created just a simple button. When I look at it, it just looks one way, and then when I hover over it, whoops, it changes its appearance. And then when I press the button, it changes its appearance again. Okay, so this is the look that we're going to go for. Again, make it your own. So we're going to start, open up Flash, Action Script 3 as usual. Whoops. Whoops, sorry. Okay, Action Script 3. Okay, so you are going to create a simple shape and add some text in it. So make it your own. Use one of the shape. You can do any shape you want. You can do a circle, a square, a rectangle, whatever case you want. I'm going to do the Polystar tool for this. Just do something a little different. Okay. Okay, I have it set on an orange color. I can change my color. If you double click on it, you can change the color. Okay. Alright, so I'm also going to add some text in there. So with my text tool, I am going to just call it button. And I'm also going to color my text something darker so I can see it. Okay. You can change your font, you can place it wherever you want. Okay. So I'm just going to, just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to create it like this. Okay. So now I'm going to highlight the whole thing. Okay. You have to make sure you're in the selection tool. Okay. I highlight the whole thing. I'm going to right click and I'm going to convert to symbol. When I convert to symbol, make sure my type is pulled to button and name it. I'm just going to call it button1. So you'll notice that you have your button in your libraries panel, button1. Okay. Okay. So when I'm going to click the icon to the left of my button1 name in my library panel. So if I double click it, you'll notice that it looks a little different now. So it's just called the button editing panel. So you're going to notice that your panel, you've now gone into this mode where it has your button1 listed, your scene, and under your layer it has an up, over, down, and hit sections. Okay, so and this current design comes up under the up. So I want to change the look of it for the different sections. So that's what we're going to be applying today. Okay, so I'm going to click my over section and I'm going to right click on it, and I have to insert a keyframe in order to change it. So when I insert a keyframe, it puts a dot within the over section. Okay, so when I'm clicked in there, I can now change the look in the over. Okay, so I'm just going to close up so you can see what I'm doing here. Close up my panel here. Okay. Okay, so I'm in my over. Okay, I'm going to change the look of this background color to a different color. Whoops. Make sure I double click on it so it allows me to change the color. So I'm going to change it to a different color. I'm also going to change the font color to a different color as well. So now when I click on it, my over looks like that. I'm sorry, my up looks like this, my over looks like that. And then I have a down and a hit section. I'm going to apply the down. Again, I'm going to click under down, I'm going to right click, and you have to insert a keyframe in order for it to allow you to change it. And now I'm going to actually set it differently again for my down stage. So I'm going to double click it, under my paint bucket fill color, I'm going to change the color. Actually, I can go really drastic and give it like a rainbow look. And then I'm going to also highlight the text, and I'm going to change my text color to like a white. Okay, so now to get back into the regular mode, I'm going to click on the top where it says we are now in the button 1 mode. I'm going to double click on scene 1. When I click on scene 1, it puts me back into my regular Flash file. Okay, so right now it just has the one button sitting here. So you're not really creating a Flash movie when you're creating a button. So as long as I see that on frame 1 I can see my original button, then I can go under Control, pull down to Test Movie in Flash Browser, as usual. So it'll show me my button in a browser, and then when I look at it, it should look like I originally intended. Then when I highlight over it, it should give me my second look. And then when I click down on my mouse, it should give me my third look. Okay, so this is how you apply a button. Okay, and that's that. That's it. So this animation was pretty simple. You should apply, again, as always, give it your own look, and you can start the next button animation, which is very simple as well. Good job today.